Today, the State Statistics Committee hosted a scientific symposium on the development of independent Azerbaijan in figures, dedicated to the 20th anniversary of the national independence. The conference participants talked about the thorny path of socio-economic development, pointing at the problems. The chairman of the State Statistics Committee, Arif Valiyev, said that economic growth was achieved only in 1996. The index of agricultural production compared with 1993 amounted to 158.1 in 2010. The volume of investments in Azerbaijan's economy in comparison with 1994 increased 213 times. The state budget revenues increased 54.6 times. In 1996, the size of the cash deposits in banks amounted to only 12.1 million manet, and in the end of 2010 this figure increased to 3,013 million manats. The demographic situation also improved, as evidenced by the growth in the population. Since 1991, the population has grown from 7,324 to 9,111.1 people. The well-being of the population also improved. In 2001, the poverty rate was 49%, and in 2010 this figure fell to 9.1%. The successes and problems of education in the country were reported by Education Minister Misir Mardanov. The construction and repair of about 2,000 secondary schools have improved conditions for education of 1 million of the 1.3 million school children. In 1,000 out of the 4,520 schools, broadband internet has been set up. The minister said that state expenditures on education grow every year and amounted to 1.3 billion in 2010. The achievements in science were reported by the president of the National Academy of Sciences of Azerbaijan, Mahmud Karimov. According to him, in the years 1991-2010, there were published about 4,500 scientific books and over 80,000 scientific papers, including 70,000 for outside the country. For the 20 years, there were defended about 450 doctoral and 1,700 master theses. From the 2,600 scientific discoveries obtained in scientific enterprises, 750 were applied in production.